The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dears, welcome back to the last part of Money Max chapter 5. Difficult does not mean impossible. It simply means that you have to work hard. If you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find an excuse. So children whose works are up to date, they really want to learn. And the others, you please decide which category you belong to. Okay, children, today we are going to do the fourth question of the same exercise. This is the question. John deposited 2500 rupees on the 1st of January in a bank where interest is compounded half yearly at 6% annual rate. Annual rate is 6% and it is compounded half yearly. So, rate of interest is equal to, for 6 months it is 3. 6% is annual rate. So, half yearly means 6 by 2 is equal to 3%. On the 1st of July, that means January to June, 6 months, half year over. And then on the 1st of July, he deposits 2500 rupees more. How much would he have in his account at the end of the year? This is the question. So, here children, how many halves are there in 1 year? 2 halves, right? But here we have to calculate 2 times instead of that single step. Why? Because after 6 months he deposits 2500 rupees more. Understood? So, let us do this. So, fourth question. So, here principal amount is equal to rupees 2500 and then rate of interest is equal to, annual rate is 6%. So, here 6 by 2 is equal to 3% half yearly, right? On the 1st of July, he deposits 2500 rupees more. So, here time period after 6 months he deposited, right? So, time is 1, so no need to write that. So, compound interest is equal to, what is the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N. So, what is P here? 2500 into 1 plus rate of interest is equal to 3 by 100. N nothing, that is 1 only, right? That means after 6 months is equal to 2500 into 1 into 100, 100 plus 3, 103 divided by 100. Cancel these zeros. 25 into 103 is equal to rupees. 25 into 103 is equal to 2575. That means rupees 2575 means amount including the interest at the end of 6 months, January to June, right? Then he deposits 2500 rupees more on the 1st of July. So, that we have to write amount is equal to this 2575 plus he deposits 2500 more. So, 2500 more. So, 5705. So, rupees 5075. Okay. Then how to find out how much would he have in his account at the end of the year? The same formula apply here also. Okay. So, amount in his account at the end of the year, is equal to same compound interest formula. So, P into 1 plus R by 100. Here N means that 6 months, right. So, there are 2 halves in an year. So, no need to write that 1. First 6 months we calculated already. So, here 1 we do not need to write. So, what is the new principal here? 5075 into 1 plus R by 100, 3 by 100 is equal to 5075 into 100 into 100 plus 303 divided by 100. You cancel this. So, you will get the answer 5227.25. So, this is 25, that means 25 paise. So, ignore that. If it is below 50, you can ignore. If it is 50 or more than 50, you can consider it as 1 rupee. So, rupees 5227. Okay. Is this clear, children? Children, in the same page, one more question is there, question number 5. That question, do it as homework. Okay. Then, next topic is increasing and decreasing. That is the last topic of this Money Max. Children, take page number 105. 3 questions are there. The first question, a report estimates e-waste increasing by 15% every year, and the e-waste in 2014 is about 9 crore tons. What is the expected amount of e-waste in 2020? This is the question. Children, in this exercise we can use compound interest formula. Why not simple interest? Because in compound interest every year the principal is increasing, right. So, here also increasing, in this question it is increasing e-waste by 15% every year. And then next question decrease is there, next 2 question decrease every year. So, we can apply the compound interest formula here. Okay. Let us see how to do. Here we can take P is equal to 9 crore tons. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there in crores. Okay. Then rate is equal to 15%. And what about the time, children? That is number of years is equal to, after 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 6 years. So, apply that formula. What is the question? What is the expected amount of e-waste in 2020? Amount of e-waste in 2020. Amount of e-waste in 2020 is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N is equal to, what is P here? 9 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 crore into 1 plus R 15 by 100, N is equal to 6 is equal to 9 crore into 1 into 100, 100, 100 plus 15, 115 divided by 100 into 115 by 100, 115 by 100 into 115 by 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times you have to write. 115 by 100 is equal to, cancel the zeros, 2, 2, 2, again 2, 2 then 1 is equal to 9 into 6 times you have to multiply 115 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, that means 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 9 into 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 115 divided by 1 lakh. So, you will get 21 crore tons approximately. You can use calculator for this. Okay? Is this clear, children? You just apply compound interest formula. Why not simple interest formula? Because every year increase is there, right? Every year e-waste is increasing. That's why we are using compound interest. Is this clear, children? Children, second question. A TV manufacturer decreases the price of a particular model by 5% each year. Here decreases. The current price of this model is 8,000 rupees. What would be the price after 2 years? So, price after 2 years. Price after 2 years is equal to, what is the formula, children? P into, here the only difference is minus. Why? Because this decreases every year, right? So, 1 minus R by 100 whole raised to n. So, what is P here? 8,000 rupees, right? So, 8,000 into 1 minus, what is rate here? 5%. So, 5 by 100. And what about n, children? What would be the price after 2 years? So, 2 is equal to 8,000 into 1 into 100, 100, 100 minus 5 is equal to 95 by 100, 2 times into 95 by 100 into 100. Then cancel the zeros, 2 zeros cancel, this also cancel. So, 8 into 95 into 95 divided by 10 is equal to how much rupees, children? Rupees 7,220. Is this clear, children? Then one more question is there. Third question. That question also same like this. So, do it as homework. That also decreases only. So, you have to apply this formula 1 minus. Okay, the only difference is if it is increase plus, if it is decrease minus. Okay. So, children, this is the end of our today's session and this 5th chapter, Money Max. This is very important chapter. So, please practice very well. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. So, children, we will meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.